How to set A4 in Excel. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can set A4 in Excel. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to make the A4 on your Excel as well, like the page, you want to convert it to A4, just follow the steps. Open up the Excel onto your personal computer or desktop. After that, you just need to head over to this page layout option on your screen. You can find this page layout option at the top beside the insert. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be taken to another page. You'll be finding this option called size. Just drop down that option called size, and you're going to look for the option called A4, which you can find very easily. Just tap on it and wait for some minutes, and the A4 will be applied on your particular Excel. So you may just apply that. Or let's say you want to print out the Excel in A4 form. For that, you just need to head over to the file sections. After that, head over to the print section. And after heading over to the print section, just change the print to A4. You can find different options here as well. You're just going to go to the A4 and select A4, and after that print it out, and your Excel should be printed in A4 as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.